little thing to do as well with your claps, and they sometimes do on house music, and it gives you a bit of a feel to what you're doing, is we can look at doing a little bit of a delay. And by delay I mean a forward delay, which means we move the clap forward on the beat a little bit. It almost gives you a groove with just a really simple drum pattern. Let me just demonstrate. So if I use this delay button here, if I push it all the way this way, there we go. I have to highlight it, sorry. Do that again. Make sure it's highlighted. Okay, that's a delay. That's the wrong way, but just to show you what this delay button does. If I do it the opposite way here, but not too much, just enough. If you imagine when someone claps their hands, the base of their hands hits first, and then you get the secondary clap sound. What we want to do is make this secondary clap sound from this representation of a clap hitting on the beat, and if we pull that slightly forward on the beat, it helps that clap kind of just pop out and give you a bit of a groove. Too much, you can hear that's way too much. Somewhere around there is pretty good. There's no rule to what this number should be. Every clap sound is going to be a bit different.